Hi guys, congratulations to all those students here who have cleared IB ACIO Tier 1 exam. Lakhs of students were there for Tier 1, but only approx 20,000 have cleared for Tier 2 exam. Now, these 20,000 will be attempting descriptive, which is part 2 of this particular paper, and I want you all to prepare thoroughly. And so we at Oliveboard had come up with a course specifically for IB ACIO Tier 2 descriptive part, which will include your RC strategy. Of course, second will be your essay writing, tips, format, content, strategy for all the very important essay topics. Thirdly, Pressy writing, wherein rules are very important and how to write in your own words is what we will learn. So enroll now for this course. Also, the special part will be that you will get expert feedback for all of your essays and presses. So evaluation will be done by the experts and you will get one-on-one guidance on writing these particular descriptive parts. So join now for the course and be among the few who will be there for the interview, which is the next stage. Guys, why wait? Join a new course. It starts from 12th of April.